Hello from UTalk Flip. Today we are going to have a grammar review about words like either, neither, both, also, and to. These types of words can sometimes be confusing when it comes to use them in the right way in different contexts. The English grammar learning can sometimes give us a headache because it looks like a big elephant on our plate for lunch. And the question is, how do you eat a big elephant? Maybe the best answer is bit by bit. What we do here in UTalk Flip is just cutting that big elephant into little pieces and customize it for your specific needs as individual English learners. What we do here is to help you learn the lesson before even you come to the class. When you come to the class, you are already prepared and know the lesson, so you have a better chance to participate and engage in different discussions and have a better chance to speak and apply the language. Also, you will have more productions and more creation of the language, more output. Sounds really idealistic, right? But this dream has been made come true in UTalk Flip. Now, if you're ready, let's jump right in. Now, first of all, let's focus on two words and their differences. When we say either, this is one choice between two possibilities. So it refers to one of the choices, one of the two choices. And both refers to two, this one and that one, the two. Now let's look at a question and the possible answers and see which answers can be right. Do you prefer pork or beef? I don't like either. And by the way, British pronunciation, either and neither. I don't like both. I don't like any of them. I don't like neither of them. Alright, the first one, I don't like either, is right. But what about the second one? I don't like both of them, or I don't like both. It's wrong, because we don't use both in a negative sentence. What about the third one? I don't like any of them. Any refers to more than two options. It can be right, but not in this context. In this context, we are having just two options, pork and beef. So, if I had, for example, pork, beef, or ham, so I could say any of them. The last one, I like neither of them. Yes, because neither means not either. So when I want to use neither in a sentence, it's wrong to use not again because neither is used in an affirmative sentence and it can negate a sentence because it has the negative meaning in itself. Now, common mistake. Using any for two instead of either, the one that I already told you. Don't say any of these two books is good. Instead say either of these two books is good. Either means one or the other of two. Any means one of three or more. Any of these books will do. So it means that there are more than two books. Common mistake. Don't say, I don't know her too. Say, I don't know her either. We don't say to in a negative sentence. We don't use it when we want to show agreement to it. We say either. I don't like apples. I don't like them either. To show agreement or sameness to a negative statement, we use either. To show agreement or sameness to an affirmative sentence, we use to or also. Now let's look at ways to show agreement to an affirmative or a negative sentence. Imagine, I am hungry, you are also hungry. We can show our reaction with either, neither, and so. I would say, I'm hungry. You can answer, so am I. It means, I'm hungry too. I can ride a bicycle. So can I. I will see you tomorrow. So will I. I ate a big sandwich. So did I. And what about when your sentence is negative? For example, I'm not hungry. You would say, neither am I. Or, I'm not hungry either. I'm not either. I didn't do it. Neither did I. I won't see you tonight. Neither will I. I couldn't ride a motorbike. Neither could I. I can't fix it. Neither can I. And now let's review some more common mistakes in English as we have discussed. Using both in a negative sentence instead of neither. Don't say, both of them didn't go to school today. Say, neither of them went to school today. Remember to change both into neither in a negative sentence and use a positive verb. Don't say, Joe hasn't come also. Say, Joe hasn't come either. Don't say, Joe has come also. We don't use also at the end of the sentence. Say, Joe has come too. Or say, Joe has also come. So it was today's video about words like either, neither, both, also, and to, and how we use them correctly, and what are some common mistakes that frequently happen in English. I hope you used it. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to write comments in the comment parts. See you in another video and take care.